Hello, I'm Mrs. Drake, a teacher of 3A this year. And unfortunately, because we won't be able to have our usual parents' evening, this is a little video just to let you know what we've been doing in class over the last half term, and also to let you know that I will be phoning you individually to talk about your children over the next couple of weeks, hopefully. So as you probably know, the children have told you that our theme this term is enw da yw'r trysor gorau. In English, a good name is the best of treasures. So we'll be looking at people who have got a good name or a good reputation. And obviously we've started the theme with people who we admire a lot during 2020, people who have truly became our heroes, which of course is the NHS staff. So we've been looking at different kinds of work and people who work for the NHS, and because we're in the Aneurin Bevan Health Board, we've been looking more closely at who Aneurin Bevan was and how he helped to start the NHS. So from that, we've moved on to looking at the skeleton and our senses, and then how losing one of our 5 senses would affect us as an individual. And we've been looking at people with good reputation or famous people who have been born or who have lost one of their senses. And even looking at ordinary people and how we can help others who maybe has lost one of their senses. Then in Welsh, we have looked at different pictures who have shown us how important heroes such as nurses and doctors are compared to superheroes. We've also met a very mischievous character called Wendy Wlanog, and how she turned from being a careless character to being quite an environmental hero at the end of the story. Our English lessons, on the other hand, have been focusing more on phonics, and we've had lots of fun with phonics this first half term. We've been looking at the English alphabet and compared it to the phonic alphabet, where the phonic is more about the sound of the letters. We've also learned about CVC words and how many vowels are there in the English language, and then moved on to speed sounds like double O, double E, and so forth. Then in maths, we have been learning and doing work on adding, subtracting, dividing and multiplication work, and completing tasks on these 4 elements to begin with, in order for us to have a strong foundation moving on to different work then after Christmas, where we'll be doing money and time after the Christmas holidays. As well this year, we've had extra sessions on well-being on Monday mornings and Friday afternoons, which have been lovely because we've been able to have more time for discussions, getting to know each other. We've talked and discussed a lot, sharing opinions. Because of the nice weather, we've been able to go out and look at nature. We have a story as well about a mysterious treasure in an old school. So we've had a lot of time to settle into Key Stage 2 and to getting to know each other and having lots of fun. So hopefully we'll be able to meet face to face sometime during this year, but for the time being I will call you in the next couple of weeks to talk more about your child, but just to let you know that we've had lots of fun in 3A so far, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Okay, thank you.